Yo, what is up guys? Kosher Tech here. Today we're gonna take a look and review the SONOS Beam. Now before I get started on the video, I made a bunch of SONOS videos. I'm gonna put some cards up there. Also, I made a playlist as well for all the SONOS videos, including how to basically use the SONOS app and so on and so forth. So definitely check out the playlist and definitely check out all the cards that I'm gonna throw up there. Let's get to the video. All right, so if you're not familiar with SONOS, they make some kick-ass audio products. Now this product, this SONOS Beam, has just hit the market not too long ago. It retails for 400 bucks. Now it's a compact soundbar. I would say if you have a small, Manhattan apartment, or you have a bedroom and you just want to throw a soundbar in a bedroom, this would probably be the soundbar for you. Now let's just get into the specs quick. It does have Amazon Alexa built into it, so you could ask it a bunch of questions. You could also make it turn off the TV, turn on the TV, and as well, if you have a Fire Stick, you could basically tell it to play different channels. So there's a lot of customization with this, which is pretty cool. Now, in the front, of course, I don't know why they did this again, but we have mesh. And if you follow my channel, if you see my other videos, I hate mesh. It's just a particle magnet. It eventually, my play bar, if you don't clean it, if you don't wipe it down, it gets dirty. But it has this mesh finish, and of course it has this SONOS logo, which I don't like again. I don't know why they just made it so centered. I wish they would have laser engraved it on top. It would look a lot better. But for some reason they have this SONOS logo, which I'm not a fan of. Now let's just quickly turn it around. We have a power, we have pair, and of course we have Ethernet and HDMI. So no more digital optical, HDMI only for the soundbar. Now you do receive digital optical to HDMI little dongle as well, so don't worry about that, guys. Now also let's talk about the internals of the soundbar. Now we have a speaker to the left, so we have a side firing speaker. We have a speaker in the center. We have a tweeter in the center, and then we have another speaker in the center. And then we have another side firing speaker. Now, to be honest with you, for this little guy, it packs a punch. Now, when I first bought it, I felt a little, I wanted a little more. However, I went into the Sonos settings and I basically just cranked up the treble and the bass, and then it basically changed my mind with the soundbar. Basically, what I'm trying to say is when you first get it, try to crank up the bass and treble because it sounds a bit flat, but once you turn it up, you do get that bass and treble from the soundbar. But quickly, let's turn on the sound. Let me enable Alexa and let's get this going. So when I was moving my hands around, basically just to indicate how it was firing, which was pretty awesome. Like I said, this little guy does pack a punch. Now, if you want to drop $400, I would say that's on you. But Kosher Tech gotta drop the money because at the end of the day, I just enjoy Sonos products. I enjoy what they make, and besides the mesh and the logo, I would definitely say this is a kick-ass soundbar if you enjoy essentially audio coming out from music coming out from your soundbar, as well as audio coming out of your TV. Now I'm gonna quickly install it to the TV and we're gonna do a little quick roundabout on how it sounds on the TV. Let's go. All right, so I connected it to the TV. Let me just give you guys a quick look on basically how small it is, so you guys basically see it for yourselves. All right, so check it out. This is the size of my stand. Look at this. It's a very, 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 very small compact soundbar. Now I'm gonna play quickly some audio and just give you guys a little quick look at how it basically sounds via playing some Netflix. Let's go. All right, so just to let you guys know, it packs a punch. I mean, of course, you could always, get into the whole Sonos ecosystem like I did. You could get a sub. Now I'm gonna make another review of the sub paired with the play bar, with the SONOS Beam, with fives, and basically find out, you know, on what's the soundbar used for. Is it for music or is it for more for TV, for dialogue? But yeah, guys, that's that. I'm Kosher Tech. Make sure to check out. Make sure to hit the like, sub, and I'll catch you next time. Deuces.